your special day. Hello, Daddy Popo. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Popo. Sana masarap po ang inyong ulam. Sana malinamnam ang inyong birthday cake. At ang pinaka-importante is yes!
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Calad Karen. Happy birthday to Daddy Popo. Daddy Popo, I'm so happy that you're celebrating your 70th birthday. I wish you the very best of health and the very best of life. God bless you.
Hi Daddy Popo, happy birthday. Na-miss ka na namin dito, miss ka na ng partner mo. So enjoy your birthday and sana magkita tayo dyan sa US. Punta kami dyan pero malalaman pa namin kung makakadaan kami ng West Coast kasi parang East Coast kami. And magla-Las Vegas, so hindi ko pa sure. Pero yan, sana makadaan kami dyan sa shuttle. Yun, enjoy your day, enjoy your special day. Regards to the family, Arvin, Pam, and the babies. Love you, Daddy. Miss you.
Daddy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy Popo.
We love you. We miss you.
And God bless you.
Sabi ni Cyrus,
Ingat ka palagi.
Hindi. We miss you. Love you, D.
Happy birthday, Daddy Popo. We love you.
Happy birthday!